Hi, it's Sharon LaFlamme with the Toothbrush Yoga series, the Natural Cleaning series. So windows, my car windows, my house windows, how did I clean them? I started years ago putting equal parts distilled water, white vinegar, and then I would add a drop of dish soap. Did a great job getting some cleaning, no residue, no streaks, no chemicals, no aerosols. And it also stayed cleaner longer because a lot of the glass cleaners want you to have residue because they want you to clean more often. So that's why you start seeing it. Dr. Eric Z does a lot with essential oils, and he has a citrus-powered glass cleaner that I'm going to show you his recipe. I hope you get that. I'm happy to post it. So really, you just squirt your glass down, clean it with whatever you usually use for a cloth. Other alternatives is I really like my Norwex chemical-free cleaning cloths. You wet it down with water first, and then you get all that scum and toothpaste stuff, and then you take your window cloth and you wipe it down, and it gives a lot of nice shine. And it's really a great way also to clean your glass or your windows or even stainless steel. This got some good ideas. So I hope I get to see you on my social media channels, and I hope you'll stay tuned for more tips. You have a wonderful, clean and streak-free day. Namaste.